Hello, and thanks for joining me. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what's going to form the backbone of my daughter's new rig. So what's going to go under her new crawler? What's it going to be? It's going to be a set of chassis rails from Corrupt Carbon Works. These are the Landshark G10s. They are very, very pretty. And one thing that struck me the moment I took these out of the package is how light they are. I mean, oh my God, they are light. Let's take a closer look at them, and then here in a few minutes we will weigh one. To be nice and close to the camera. Focus on it. Focus. There we go. Look at this thing. Look at the shock tower that comes up in all these mounting options. As we travel down it, all those link mounting options there. Up the back. And another shock tower with a whole plethora of mounting options. Both rails are identical. And it does have a little bit of flex to it. They say it's so you can run the 78mm here and cinch it into 70mm to front. On this chassis, I think we're going to stay at 78mm the entire length. I guess we'll find out whenever we get building. But anyway, this is the Landshark G10, like I said, from Corrupt Carbon Works. This is just a beautiful chassis, and like I said, is light. Let's go ahead and weigh this chassis and see how light it really is. Bring over my handy dandy scale. You've seen this in a lot of my videos here. Okay, zero it out. One rail by itself comes in at 1.7 ounces. How much does two rails weigh? Zoom in on that there for you if I can. 3.5 ounces. That's it. In grams, that puts it at 99 grams. This is a very lightweight chassis. There you have it. What our plans is, we're going to take this chassis, put a Fisher's Crawler Parts skid in it, and chassis braces. It will also get a set of Red Cat Gen 8 axles underneath of it, and a few other various odds and ends along the way. Now we're using a SCX10 transmission that will have a G10 Fisher's Crawler Parts motor plate on it, as well as steel gears in it. Our goal is for a little lightweight crawler that hopefully is very, very capable. And with this chassis, I am sure it will be more than capable. Oh, also going to use the battery tray from Corrupt Carbon Works as well. It'll be a nice little battery tray that'll fit right here and hold like a 1300 milliamp battery. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this chassis as much as I have, and I hope you will follow along as we do this build. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. If you're looking for one for yourself, hit up Corrupt Carbon Works and they will take care of you. As always, I thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below or hit us up on Facebook or Instagram. We post a lot more stuff on Instagram that never makes it onto our YouTube channel. So make sure you check out our Instagram and our Facebook feed. Please make sure you subscribe so you can follow along on this build. And feel free to hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. So until next time, happy RCing.